Is Amazon FBA still a good business model? Is it too late to get started right now? Are you wondering about these questions? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to address all these questions and share with you the honest truth about Amazon FBA in the new year. The first thing I want to talk about is that there's no doubt recession is coming and we all need to use our cash wisely. In the upcoming year, prices, interest rates, unemployment rate are going to hike up and investment in the stock market will be volatile. There's no better way to have higher return on investment than starting a low cost and low risk online business such as Amazon FBA. Now, you might be wondering, isn't it actually harder to start a business during recession? Well, this actually leads to my next point, and that is Amazon continues to be the largest e-commerce platform and online shopping is not going anywhere. According to an industry analyst from JPMorgan Chase, despite the recession, Amazon is still expected to have more growth and deliver better returns in the new year. Besides, around 76% of Americans shop online and about 37.8% of them shop from Amazon. That's some crazy numbers. If you live in the US or Canada, just take a look around. How many of your things were purchased from Amazon, or how many of your friends constantly buy from Amazon? Another interesting number to look at is 67% of Amazon shoppers are Prime members, meaning that they're very loyal to Amazon and are constantly spending money there. The next truth about Amazon FBA is that it's relatively low cost and low risk, which makes it a much safer business to start during a recession. If you've watched my 5 signs of a profitable product video, you would know that before launching a product, you would first ensure the profitability of the product you choose, meaning that you would use a third-party product research tool to check the revenues, reviews, and search volume to make sure that this product will succeed. Essentially, you're always investing in a product that's statistically proven to do well. That's what makes it so low risk. And the minimum investment to start Amazon FBA is only $3,000, including manufacturing, shipping, branding, and so on. If you were to start an e-commerce business from the ground up, it will cost you at least $5,000 or even $10,000 to have just a professionally built website. And the best part about Amazon FBA is that they already provide you with their customer base, meaning that you're launching a product in the marketplace full of people already looking for it. Amazon FBA is definitely the best if you want to build a physical product brand online without breaking your bank or taking on too much risk. If ever in the future you want to have an e-commerce brand separate from Amazon, you can totally do so by migrating your brand off Amazon, maybe to Shopify, or start a completely new e-commerce brand with a little bit more experience. Before I move on to my next tip, I wanted to let you know that if you want to learn more about starting your Amazon FBA business, then make sure to click the link in my description box for a free guide that will help you start your Amazon FBA business step by step. Another thing I want to share with you about Amazon FBA in the new year is that Amazon is constantly innovating and improving their FBA program. This is not only announced publicly, but also I experienced it personally. I remember when I first started Amazon FBA, it would always take a few days or sometimes even weeks for Amazon seller support to get back to me. But starting around the second quarter of this year, Amazon seller support has gotten a lot more responsive. Just last month, I had a bit of an issue with Amazon Seller Central platform, and it would only take them 1 to 2 days to get back to me, and I was able to resolve the issue pretty quickly with their support. Not only that, Amazon has also been offering a lot more support around selling and advertising on the platform. I've gotten actually quite a lot of emails from them reaching out to offer one-on-one support calls, free webinars, and so on. I can feel they genuinely want Amazon FBA sellers to succeed. This is super helpful because you are going to receive more support and education about selling on Amazon from Amazon itself. Let me know in the comments if you'd appreciate a highly responsive seller support team in your Amazon FBA journey. The next thing about Amazon FBA that's important to know going into the new year is that Amazon currently has 19 marketplaces all over the world and it's only expanding. Some of the main marketplaces right now are the US, UK, Germany, and Japan. And it's said that Amazon will expand into 5 new marketplaces in 2023. 2023, such as Belgium, South Africa, Nigeria, Chile, and Colombia. Once you're registered as an Amazon seller in one marketplace, it won't be hard for you to expand into other marketplaces as well, and the Amazon support team will actually assist you in doing so. It's good to know that you have all the possibility of selling in more countries other than just the major US market if you wish. Now that you've learned the truth about Amazon FBA and why you should start in the new year, your next step is to watch this video where I will share with you how to find a profitable product to sell with Amazon FBA. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to snag your free Amazon FBA guide on your way out, and I can't wait to see you in next week's video.